Hi, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will show you daily Chinese handwriting on the character D step by step. First, I will write it in regular script, then following one word and one sentence. Without further ado, let's write. D. D. Order. But. Mention. 第一 means first, number one. He stands first in his class. Stands first in his class. 他在班上名列第一。班上 class 名列第一 stands first. 他在班上名列第一 He stands first in his class. 他在班上名列第一。My casual handwriting on D. D. Order, but, mention. 第一 first, number one. He stands first in his class. 他在班上名列第一。D. Okay, please comment any sentence with Chinese character D. I hope you find this video helpful. Support my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click the bell, like, and help me share this video. Okay, that's all for today. Thanks so much for watching. Have a wonderful day. Goodbye.